In the top right corner of your console, you will find an icon that could give you access to your account, also to ask for support or help through or directly email, and to log out from the platform. So clicking on the button to the account, you will find your information, the agreed terms and conditions, a way to change your password, and also the plans that are current available on the platform, where your current plan is highlighted, but you can select others and change, and they will become your next plan. Going back, you can click on support, and this will lead to you to the communications through email to our central, so you can ask for any help or support or even send us some suggestions to improve the platform.